Korea, the country that achieved a miraculous economic growth.
경제 부흥을 이루기 위해 창조 경제와 경제 민주화를 추진해 가겠습니다.
Now, Korea is once again dreaming of an economic miracle.
좋은 아이디어가 있으면 뒷받침할 수 있는 기술력이 있기 때문에 아이디어를 내는 게 굉장히 중요합니다.
Korea is shifting into a new paradigm from an economy that chases after advanced countries to an economy that blazes a trail in the global market.
창조 경제에 있어서 중요한 것이 이제 창의적인 아이디어, 상상력, 이것이 자원입니다.
A change in the way we think, new ideas, and a people-centered economy.
창조가 돈이 되는 경제. 이게 창조 경제입니다.
The key word to Korea's new economic growth engine is creativity. A wind of economic change is blowing in Korea. Creative economy is the new economic topic that was raised when the Park administration was launched. As the first female president in the history of Korea's constitutional government, President Park and her administration are committed to creative economy. President Park's advance toward creative economy proved to be valuable while on her visit to Europe in November.
아이디어 파트너스.
The Korean people are also highly interested in creative economy.
새로운 그 아이디어를 창출해서 전혀 그 사람들이 경험해보지 못한 그런 시장을 서로 개척하고
새로운 경제를 창출해내는 그런 정책이라 생각합니다.
새로운 일을 창출한다는 뜻이겠죠.
An era of creative economy has begun where ideas and technology integrate. Korea is trying to build something that is uniquely Korean.
전 세계 유일하게 한국만이 창조 경제를 하면서 창조 산업을 정의하지 않는 나라입니다. 그것은 뭐냐? 우리는 모든 산업을 창조 산업화하겠다는 거예요. 이게 한국의 창조 경제입니다.
This one song took 1.7 billion people around the world by storm, and the economic profit gained from that was 1 trillion Korean won.
So Korea is a remarkable country. As you know, it's both in some ways a very closed society in which we have Koreans living in their own traditions, which they've followed for many centuries, and there are some foreigners who complain that Korea should be more open. But at the same time, Korea is one of the most international countries in the world. We have Koreans who go basically to all over.
Korea is also a country of communication. Hangul, the Korean alphabet, was created to provide a common means of communication. It is the leading example of the creativity and spirit of communication of the Korean people. Combined with the smart technology, Hangul will create a new culture of communication in this era of creative economy. World-class information and communications technology and a well-educated IT technology workforce are also what make the creative economy possible in Korea.
Well, partly I think because in Korea there's very good infrastructure. Broadband was available throughout Korea much more quickly than it has been in many other countries, partly because all of the housing was new, a lot of the buildings were being put up. It's partly because, again, back to your education system, Koreans are highly educated, very capable in math and sciences, and partly because the government has put a lot of emphasis on information technology.
Since the Korean War, Korea has achieved remarkable economic growth. This economic growth is often called the miracle on the Han River.
월화수목금금금 대한민국 사람 세계에서 제일 열심히 일을 했어요. 그래서 조선 반도체, LCD, 휴대폰 세계적인 산업을 만들었죠.
The driving force behind the miracle on the Han River was the Saemaul movement. It was the beginning of the spirit of innovation and challenge. In just 4 years of starting this movement, Korea changed from being the world's poorest country to being a country with per capita income of $400. We now seek to create the second miracle on the Han River by reviving that same spirit and strength.
I think the miracle in the Han is hugely admired by people in Europe, people in North America, the way in which the Korean economy has grown from the destruction after the Korean War into a real global economic powerhouse with globally known companies and brands like Samsung and Hyundai and LG. It's really impressive.
We are on our way to Cheongdo, the birthplace of the Saemaul movement. This is Cheongdo Green Peace Farm. Since 10 years ago, mushrooms have been the major product of this farm, and the farm now leads the local economy by producing over 8,000 tons of enoki mushrooms annually. It is the new Saemaul movement in action. Special guests are visiting the farm today. The documentary team from Ethiopia is busy filming the mushroom factory. Why have they come all this way to this small village in Korea?
Concerning the Saemaul movement, which is, according to our government, which is a very best experience and practice for our development. So by shooting or filming this process, we transmit the whole situation in our national TV, and more Ethiopians will learn from this.
The Saemaul movement will be a way for Ethiopia to free themselves from being the world's poorest country, which was brought about by their long drawn-out civil war. All over the world, many people are benchmarking Korea's Saemaul movement, and now it has become a global movement.
Saemaul movement is very important to Ethiopia because the last 10 years we are growing, we are developing politically, economically, socially. In this process, the Saemaul movement is very important because we do have the same historical background like Korea. We were a very poor country. We were a famine, and by implementing this movement, we can come up to a better development.
The crew regretfully say goodbye. Through these people, the spirit of Korea's Saemaul movement will once again take root and grow. The globalization of the spirit of the Saemaul movement is also happening in Korean universities. The students who are taking the Saemaul Movement Professionals Training course are mostly high-level government officials, professors, and social activists from developing countries. They're here to learn about Korea's Saemaul movement.
So then, when I back to my country, I always say to my country, to my people, you already know you have a spirit, but you don't know how you're working, how you using the Saemaul Undung to develop country.
So Saemaul Undung, the three things, which is diligence, self-help, and cooperation, it's a big spirit for me, for my country, for my people. So Korea did a lot. People work hard and to achieve the development in terms of money, in terms of technology, in terms of many things that now we can see. So I came here to learn from Korean and implement Saemaul Undung to my country.
157 volumes and pages.
They came here with the goal of learning the spirit of the Saemaul movement. After they finish their course, they will be the educators and leaders of the Saemaul movement in their countries.
In particular, relation.
또 자기네 나라 가서 이 교육받은 사람들이 또 교육을 시키면은 다 이제 경제 발전도 될 수 있고 환경도 좋아지기 때문에 저는 창조 경제의 기본은 창조 교육인데 이 새마을 운동의 그 기본 역할을 할 수 있다고 보고 있습니다.
The Saemaul movement, as a creative movement filled with the spirit of innovation and challenge, it has now become a global movement. It is the driving force that will bring about the second miracle on the Han River, the creative economy. Gurogu in Seoul is the center of Korea's IT industry. For a long time, this has been the center of Korea's economic growth. Guro Industrial Complex used to be the mecca of Korea's primary industries and an export complex. Now it has become a digital city. The venture capital boom that began in Korea in 1995 brought about a huge change. This place is now the center of cutting-edge information technology and also a platform for a creative economy.
1차 벤처 붐이 95년도에 저희들이 벤처기업 협회를 만들 때부터 2001년까지가 1차 벤처 붐 시대입니다. 그걸 통해서 대한민국이 완전히 바뀌었어요. 한국이 인터넷 강국이 됐고, 그리고 삼성전자의 1.5배가 되는 벤처 생태계가 생겼습니다. 1,000억 매출이 넘는 벤처기업이 작년 기준 416개가 생겼어요. 1조 매출이 넘는 벤처가 6개가 생겼습니다. 이건 거대한 지각 변화입니다.
The answer to the Korean-style creative economy has already been clearly shown through various models. This company produced a hit product in just 5 years of its inception based only on an idea. This is a good example of creative economy. The Vibration Foundation became a masterpiece produced by a creative idea and high technical skills.
프로젝트 팀이라고 해서 전 본부에 상관이 없이 여러 사람들이 모여가지고 1년에 한두 번씩 새로운 아이템을 개발하는 그런 경연대회 내지는 그런 프로젝트 그 팀이 있고요. 또 그러니까 싱크타임이라고 해서 금요일 4시부터 5시까지 전 직원이 인트라넷으로 아이디어를 공유하는 그런 프로젝트도 있고.
The secret to their hit products and successes lies in the idea meetings conducted in a free atmosphere.
모든 직원들이 한번 써보고요. 어떤 불편한 점이 있는지 뭐 개선할 점에 대한 좀 아이디어를 내고 직접 사용을 해보면서 그런 소소한 부분에서 이렇게 아이디어를 발견을 하거든요. 그래서 다 같이 써보고 모여서 어떤 부분을 좋게 바꾸면 좋을까 그런 부분을 얘기를 합니다.
Anyone can freely put forward ideas here. This company creates economic values by putting those ideas into practice.
창업이라든가 뭔가 내가 사회를 바꿀 수 있는 그런 노력들이 굉장히 중요하다고 생각을 합니다. 그래서 창업을 한다든가 비즈니스를 할 때 아이디어라든가 아이템이 참 중요한데 그런 의미에서 젊은 분들이 정말 그 번쩍이는 아이디어로 우리 생활을 바꿀 수 있는 그런 계획이라든가 그런 전략들을 짜보시면 굉장히 우리나라가 많이 좋아질 것 같아요.
Changing how you think sometimes results in creating a new industry. This has become a new fad among Koreans. Screen golf succeeded in capturing people's interests by targeting a niche market.
나가기 전에 시뮬레이션 하는 거 미리 이제 그 골프장을 찾아서 가기 전에 먼저 이제 한번 해보면 그 뭐 어떻게 공략할 건지를 한번 해보고 가면 조금은 타수가 줄어드니까 많이 도움이 되는 것 같습니다.
장점은 아무래도 회사에 가까운 데 있다 보니까 주변 지인분들하고 수시로 이렇게 뭐 시간에 구애받지 않고 저렴한 비용에 즐길 수 있다는 게 아무래도 스크린의 장점이라 부르면 되죠. 뭐.
The number of people who play screen golf reached 1.5 million last year. Thanks to this industry, over 30,000 jobs were created. Screen golf popularized golf by combining a screen with 3D images of a golf field and an actual game of golf. It is a leading example of creative economy produced by changing the way we think.
처음으로 어떤 버추얼 리얼리티, 가상현실 기술을 골프에 접목시켜서 새로운 비즈니스, 스크린 골프라는 비즈니스를 창출했거든요. 그렇기 때문에 어떤 이 세상에 전혀 없는 새로운 그런 부분을 만들어냈다, 창출해냈다 해서 창조 경제의 어떤 사례가 아닌가.
We now live in an age where the whole world can be seen at a glance and instant transportation is possible. Through this 3D image, we can see all parts of North Korea, which is physically inaccessible. This is V-World, the 3D satellite image map, often called the Korean Google Earth. V-World became highly popular the minute it was released. V-World is a blue ocean of new technology created by integrating spatial information technology and big data.
국내에서 사용되고 있는 다양한 주제도라든가 다양한 공간 정보를 제공을 해준다는 것. 그러니까 데이터량이 굉장히 다양하다는 것과 그리고 이제 국내의 지도에 대해서는 구글에서 서비스하는 이런 지도보다 한 5배 이상의 높은 해상도의 지도를 서비스를 하고요.
North Korea is a popular place to visit using V-World. The places that are restricted to foreigners, such as the North Korean part of Mount Baekdu and downtown Pyongyang, are shown in 3D. Also, the people whose hometowns used to be in North Korea before the war can take a look at their homes they miss so much. The potential of V-World is endless. When the smartphone app service that will allow people to see the world in their hands becomes available, a lot of changes will take place within the IT market. It is also expected to create more jobs.
V-World에서 집적된 그 공간 정보를 민간 어느 분야든지 누구든지 손쉽게 활용이 되도록 이렇게 이제 제공을 해줌으로써 민간 부분에서는 그 공간 정보를 활용해서 새로운 산업을 창출하고 또 그를 통해서 새로운 일자리 창출이 가능할 것으로 보고요.
What kind of efforts must we make to successfully bring about a Korean-style creative economy? We must first pay attention to training people who will lead the creative economy.
우리가 모방 경제에서 해야 될 것은 정답을 열심히 배우는 거였어요. 근데 창조 경제에서는 우리가 문제를 찾는 겁니다. 숙제를 하는 게 아니라 문제를 찾는 거죠. 이런 문제 중심의 교육, 프로젝트 중심의 교육, 이것이 한국 교육의 혁신이 되어야 됩니다.
The government is also working actively to identify and support creative people. The BK21 Plus Global Human Resources Development Program is also a part of such efforts.
인재가 BK21을 통해서 나오는 데 있어서도 융합형 인재가 나와야 되기 때문에 기존에 그냥 단순한 산학협력, 가의식 교육 이런 것들보다는 여러 가지 형태의 소통을 하고 융합하고 과학기술과 ICT, 디자인, 문화예술 이런 것들을 통섭하는 인재를 양성하기 위해서 상당한 노력을 기울이고 있습니다.
This school can now concentrate on training integrated types of scientists that the 21st century demands, thanks to the governmental support.
인공위성이나 우주 탐사 분야에서의 인재 양성이라는 것은 실질적으로 뭔가를 위성을 만들어 보자 같이. 그래서 실제 과학적인 임무를 수행할 수 있는 그리고 실제로 이제 위성을 한번 제어해 보자. 또 위성과 통신해 보자. 뭐 이런 문제들을 실제적으로 경험하고 또 문제가 부딪혔을 때는 문제를 해결하고 뭐 이런 것들을 다 포함하는 것들이겠잖아요. 그래서 어떤 의미에서는 이런 위성을 제작하고 또 발사하고 또 그것을 통해서 연구하는 모든 일련의 과정들이 바로 우주 탐사에 필요한 인력을 양성하는 실제 과정이 되지 않을까.
Venture businesses are also under the spotlight. They are now being suggested as the answer to bringing about the second miracle on the Han River and jumpstarting Korea's economic growth. Websolus successfully developed a total water management system that oversees the water supply and drainage system in real time. The company has shown fast growth for the past 2 years and was selected as the first Konex company.
이 벤처 기업들이 초기에 성장함에 있어서 또 중요한 그런 고비들이 있게 되는데 그러한 고비들을 좀 넘길 수 있는 그런 투자나 또 어떤 정부 지원책들이 적재적소에 잘 적용만 된다라고 하면 상당히 그 중요한 문제인 일자리 창출 문제에 어떤 그런 핵심적인 역할을 저는 벤처기업이 담당할 수 있다라고 확신을 합니다.
The creation of venture companies that are based on innovative technology like Websolus can be the new growth engine that will lead to rapid economic growth and job creation.
1차 벤처붐은 기술을 중심으로 갔어요. 근데 2차 벤처붐은 기술과 시장이 융합을 하는 생태계입니다. 여기서 가장 중요한 건 대기업과 창업 벤처들이 협력하는 것들이에요. 그래서 이 공정한 협력을 우리가 경제 민주화라고 부르고 있죠.
The number of venture companies that have registered since 1998 until June 2013 is more than 28,000.
민간이 창의력을 발산할 수 있도록 규제를 개선해야 되는데 그렇게 하기 위해서는 각 부처에 숨어 있는 여러 가지 규제 사항들을 발굴하고 제도 개선을 해야 되고요. 그런 노력들을 많이 해야 됩니다. 또 근본적으로 창조 경제를 하기 위해서는 민간의 활력을 얻어야 되기 때문에 분위기 조성, 문화 확산이 중요합니다. 교육도 중요하고요. 인재 양성이 중요하고 그래서 이런 근본적인 것들을 밑바탕에서부터 강화하려고 노력하고 있습니다.
First, they set up teams devoted to making a creative economy and arranged a communication channel through which people can experience and participate in making a creative economy. That channel is an organization called Creative Korea. Creative Korea is acting as the gateway to creative economy by gathering ideas.
누구나 아이디어만 있으면 도전하게 하고 그것을 각 분야의 전문가들이 멘토 역할을 해줌으로써 아이디어를 어떤 창업 아이템으로 구현하고 뭐 제품과 서비스로 구현하기 위한 아이디어 구현의 장.
In just 20 days since the service began, the ideas suggested by people reached 1,800, and currently there are more than 3,000 ideas. More than 2,800 people visit the site daily, and the accumulative number of visitors up till now has reached 65,000. Among them, 14,000 are members. In just 20 days since it was launched, the number of mentors increased from 641 to 2,500.
창조적 아이디어를 가지고 뭐 자기 회사를 만들어도 좋고 회사 내에서 혁신해도 좋고 아니면 정부 조직을 바꿔도 좋고 이 창조적 아이디어를 구현하기 위해서 자기 영혼을 집어넣는 사람 이런 사람들이 필요한 거죠.
Creative ideas, the creation of economic values, and creating jobs, as well as bringing happiness to people, are the things we want in our future. And a creative economy is the blueprint for such a future. Imagine and challenge yourselves. Unlimited creative ideas are already changing Korea.